By two court challenges, the Portland arts tax is due today. What happens to the money while it's in limbo, and what happens if it's ruled unconstitutional? KOIN 6 is getting answers for you this noon. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at noon. I'm Jenny Hansen. Now, you have several options to pay that tax today. Alicia Esch joins us from the Bureau. And Alicia, even though people have to pay this, it might not stand in the end.
Yes, that is right. Today is the day that you have to pay the $35 arts tax. And of course, you can pay it in cash, in person here, as we have some people already doing today at the Revenue Bureau. If you don't want to pay it in cash in person, of course, you can still go online today, or you can also send in your check by mail today. It just has to be postmarked today. Don't forget to fill out this form. But regardless, the money is a little bit in limbo right now. And that's because there are currently two lawsuits pending against the arts tax, claiming it's unconstitutional. I spoke with Mayor Hales about the situation. He says the city will collect and hold the money in a trust fund until November, and then they'll disperse some of it to school districts.
If for some reason the tax is overturned or otherwise impeded by the courts, then we'll spend a little of that money out of our contingency fund until those legal issues are resolved.
And if the city sends $3 million to schools, the mayor says that's enough to hire the teachers and restart programs. And while the mayor is confident that the tax will be a success, I also spoke to the director of the Revenue Bureau here, who explained what will happen to your money if the tax is ultimately overturned.
If those lawsuits overturn the tax, then taxpayers would all be refunded the payments that they made.
And you'll get that refund with a check in the mail. The city is keeping a database of everyone who pays. And so far, the director says they have collected $6 million, and they expect to get $8.7 million by June 30th. And just so that we're clear out here, there are some people who are exempt already from the arts tax. That's if you make less than $1,000, you're on Social Security or PERS, you're going to be exempt. However, you still have to file for the arts tax. This is the sheet that you have to fill out there regardless, so make sure that you do that, and it is due today. Alicia Esch, KOIN 6 News.
All right, thanks, Alicia. And if you don't pay the arts tax today, you do face a $15 fine. Now, if you don't pay it by October 15th, you face an additional $20 fine. But it's unlikely the money will ever be collected, as the City Council still has to review the tax and fines on July 31st.